Hey everyone, I'm in Rouge Hill, Fort Union Park. This is the driveway, and this is the parking. I'm just gonna do a quick walk since I'm here. So that way is the GO train station, Rouge Hill GO train station. Here's the lake. I already did a video of how to get here. I'll put a link in the description below. But here's the parking lot. It's a giant parking lot. I was going to go from the Rouge Hill GO train station, but decided not to. It's getting colder again, unfortunately. It's never going to get warm here in Toronto. I'm technically in Toronto. This is Scarborough, but Scarborough's part of Toronto, right? So Markham, Scarborough, I think Mississauga, Brampton, no, not Brampton, North York, Markham, they're all part of Toronto. They're all boroughs. But the Scarborough, this part right here is closer to the lake, right? So it's windy again, unfortunately. It's a very popular area in the summer and springtime. It's a park right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see with my sunglasses on. This is the park here. Actually, they improved the park. They renovated it. A lot of residential area here too. But this way is to the lake. The access to the lake is here through this tunnel. Oops. I'll probably do this. All the videos I've done so far, I'll probably do it again in summertime when there's you know, better weather, trees in green. So that way is to Pickering. You can see down there is the Pickering nuclear plant. All this you see here is the waterfront, right? Port Union waterfront. And do some walking around. Do some walk around this way to the west. I ain't gonna walk far, it's too cold. Just gonna show you the shoreline, such and such. If you keep walking this way to the west, it goes further into Toronto. I think it goes about 10 kilometers. So I'm going to go up here for a better vantage point. There we go, much better. Not sure if you can see that. You can see the GO train coming. It goes all along the west shore, the lake shore. See it? It's all townhouses over there. what the heck, I'll just go to the GO train station. I'll go walk there and come back, and then I'll finish the video. So yeah, go look at my how to get to the Port Union Park video to get here. It's very easy. Basically, there's a southern part of Port Union.